Hi guys! In this episode, I will show you how the photo editor on getimg.ai works, powered by Gemini 2.5 Flash image, which in the industry got the funny nickname, Nano Banana. This is not just a tool for generating images from scratch. It's something else. The ability to edit photos quickly, predictably, and with a very aesthetic result. All you need is one photo and a prompt, where you can describe all the changes you want. And Nano Banana will handle them all at once. The story behind this model is quite unusual. One day, on a platform used for testing AI models, a mysterious model called Nano Banana suddenly appeared. Nobody knew where it came from or who created it. People online started experimenting with it and were amazed. It turned out to be better than most models available at the time. The community began sharing content edited with it, trying to generate an image of its creator and guessing who might have built it. At first, it wasn't even included in the rankings, which made it feel even more mysterious. Later on, Google began dropping subtle hints, posting banana-themed images on social media, fueling speculation that Nano Banana might actually be their secret project. What made people excited wasn't just the name, but how well it worked. Finally, there was a model that didn't break faces or destroy details during edits. You could adjust lighting, change colors, swap backgrounds, add text, even all at once. And the subject or product still looked exactly the same. Unlike other editors that often produced random results, Nano Banana delivered consistent, predictable, and natural looking images. That's why today it's considered one of the best solutions for photo editing, especially when identity and realism matters. Using it on getimg.ai is extremely simple. You upload one photo, type a natural language prompt with all the changes you want, and the model applies them in one go. You don't need to split your instructions into separate steps. You can ask it to fix the light, change the background color, add caption, and adjust contrast, all in a single prompt, and it will still keep everything coherent. The word preserve is also very helpful. If you say you want to warm up the light but at the same time preserve the face, the model understands not to touch what's most important. Imagine you are editing portrait. You could type a single comment like preserve the identical face, warm up the light by 15%, pastel palette, soft bloom, subtle skin retouch, keep pores visible, remove shine on the forehead, add text, how I edit bold in the right corner, don't cover the face. And Nano Banana will handle all of it at once, delivering a polished but natural result. The same goes for products. One prompt can look like this. Remove dust and micro scratches, preserve fabric texture, change hoodie color to sage green with a matte finish, keep creases, natural light background, soft shadow under the product. You get clean, professional pack shot ready for a store or listing in single shot. For social media, this is a real game changer. A desk photo with unnecessary cap, you can combine everything in one prompt. Remove the cap, leave the plant, add soft glow around the laptop as if light was coming from the left, add text, new drop, Friday, 6 p.m. in the bottom right corner on a semi-transparent strip. Travel photos, interiors, food shots. It works the same way. You can describe all the changes you want at once, and Nano Banana executes them without breaking faces, shapes, or details. For the best results, remember to write clearly and naturally, as if talking to an assistant. Always mention what should remain unchanged, like preserve the face or preserve texture. This makes the editor focus on details without inventing new ones. Also avoid excessive skin smoothing or adding text without perspective. If you are asking for text on a bottle, add words match perspective and gloss, so it looks natural. Nano Banana is today's best photo editing tool, precisely because it can handle multiple changes at once without breaking what's essential in the image. Faces stay faces, products keep their shape, and details don't disappear during editing. On getimg AI, you have an editor that is fast, predictable, and delivers aesthetic results without the need to learn complicated tools. To sum up, you upload one photo, describe everything you want to change in a single prompt, and watch your picture transform exactly the way you imagined. That's why Nano Banana has become the #1 tool for image editing. So now, tips for beginners and professionals. Don't hesitate to combine multiple changes in one prompt. Nano Banana is the only model that handles this so well. Talk to the editor as if you were talking to a person. Remove the cap on the right, warm up the light, change wall color to light beige, add bold text in the top corner. Natural language works best, without shortcuts or technical tags. Remember the word preserve. It protects the most important elements of your photo: the face, skin texture, the shape of the back. If something doesn't work out, try rephrasing your prompt and running it again. Professionals can describe entire editing workflows in one shot. Cleaning, lighting, colors, contrast, and decorative elements all at once. Use semantic descriptions like minimalist, no clutter, no HDR effect instead of shortcuts like no clutter. Describe light and photographic details precisely. For example, softbox, 45 degrees of white background, short, soft shadow. When adding text, specify the exact margin, bold, and always don't cover key elements. Don't forget about contact shadows. They make the object look as if it really belongs in the scene. Generate a few variations of the same multi-change prompt and pick the best one. Nano Banana has become a symbol of new quality in photo editing because it not only delivers beautiful results but also doesn't ruin the details that matter. Faces stay faces, products keep their shape, and micro textures like skin or fabric remain intact. In practice, this means fewer corrections and faster results. So, thanks for watching. Now I'm curious, what's the first photo you would edit with Nano Banana? Drop your answers in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss the next one. See you there!